1, 2, 3, 4.
Where are you going? Where have you been? I've always leaned on you since I can't remember when. A night in the park flooded back to me as I long to hold you. Your heart longed to be free, free to have lovers and free to be yourself, free to pick and choose, not to think of someone else. Life without you still moves along. The days are short, but the nights are long. Life without you still moves along to the tune of an unhappy song. You got an apartment up in Provincetown, painted people's portraits, enjoyed the new life that you found. I'd go up on weekends and we just walk around, but I stopped going 'cause I just seemed to get you down. Life without you still moves along. The days are short, but the nights are long. Life without you still moves along to the tune of an unhappy song. Life without you still moves along. The days are short, but the nights are long. Life without you still moves along to the tune of an unhappy song. To the tune of an unhappy song. Are the stars shining bright? Cast down on me your silvery light. Tiniest day